So it's that cold time of year again, and we are full-fledged and using our fireplace, trying to keep our house as warm as possible. One of the downfalls though is that you have to be prepared in all the different steps from the startup of your fire to letting it burn down. One of the major things that you want to have to begin your fire in your fireplace, wood stove, anything like that, is the kindling for your fire. It makes it a lot easier to get started. And here this year, I haven't really been doing that. I've been trying to get it started and just beginning with bigger log size pieces. So today we're going to take care of that, and I'm going to actually fix that problem with making a kindling cutter, I guess. So stay tuned and see how this all works out. So what I have here, I picked this up on the side of the road one day. It's just a railroad track piece that had this random thing sticking off of the end of this. I was going to actually turn this into an anvil by cutting out this edge right here, but then I ended up getting an anvil from Harbor Freight, and there was no need in doing anything with this. So this has just been sitting around the house, taking up space. So today I figure I will take this scrap piece and turn it into a kindling splitter. So what I'm going to end up doing is using this main portion right here. So the reason why I really like this, and I'm not going to really alter it that much, this is welded on right here on the inside right here. So this piece is pretty stout being on here. What I need to end up finding doing is getting a big log to set this on. This has a lot of mass and weight to it, so as I'm splitting the kindling, I'm not going to have to worry about this really moving around too much. As I said, I have one that is already made into an anvil. These things can take a lot of force and not move around too much. So let's go ahead and get started shaping this up so I can start splitting some wood. You guys haven't seen a video on how to make one of these little storage things? Go ahead and check it out. It's yesterday's video. Well, now that I see that that works with the 2x4, let's go ahead and get some actual firewood that we'll be cutting up and get some of this actually made. Let's do a smaller piece. thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on just making something simple for the house that was greatly needed. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and enjoy all my other videos. Check them out, all the other playlists and stuff. I'll see you guys on the next video.